welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to import folders in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I'm here in my edit page and have opened the media pool. As you know, if you right click then you can import media. But we don't want to do this. I actually have a folder that I can drag in here, but don't put it in here, but put it here to the side and then just let go. And as you can see, here it says master and here is your folder. And here is all your content that you then just can put in there. And that's actually it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to import folders in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.